This is the Buster and Tilly show. Every morning. Buster's the little white dog. Tilly's the cat. And don't think this is all Buster. Because if Buster leaves, Tilly follows and leaps on him. Wrestlers. It's funny because the first video of Tilly I put up, I think, was the wrestling, where he was wrestling that little red bear.
Well, he never wrestled like this is.
No, now he's got someone who wrestles back.
Yeah, that wrestles back. Uh-oh.
Oh, there's considerations
Tilly
of
wants to
leaving.
leave.
The tail's lashing. But see, no cat rolls onto its back when it's wrestling up.
Oh. Oh.
Where'd he go? Where's that nice cat I was playing with?
Tilly.
He's looking
Where
for him.
are you, Tilly? Tilly couldn't take it.
No, that was pretty fierce. There's Tilly though, look. He's back.
In the garbage can.
In the garbage can. I should have gone to Walmart and got you a garbage. That was silly.
Uh-oh. Been discovered.
Yeah.
I didn't know they had a ride in the Buster and Tilly show.
Yeah. It is not the Buster and Tilly and Rex show. Rex is a bystander mostly. He does try to play with Tilly. At times he noses her and noses her head around. Tilly, where are you?
It's over.
All right.